In this video, you'll learn how to use Airtable for real estate templates so you can organize your listings, clients, and agents in one simple visual system. We'll walk through everything from opening Airtable in your browser to setting up views that make your daily work a lot easier. First, on your computer, open your preferred web browser and go to airtable.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, and if you do, just sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace, which is where all your bases live. A base in Airtable is basically a mini database or a project, and in our case, it will become your real estate hub. Now, you have two options to get started. Today, I'll show you how to either create a new base from scratch or use one of Airtable's real estate templates. On the main page, look for the option to add a new base. When you click it, you can choose to start with a blank base or browse the template gallery. If you want a quick start, pick a real estate focused template. It will usually come preloaded with useful tables and fields. If you prefer full control, select a blank base and give it a clear name like Real Estate CRM or Property Listings. Inside your new base, the next step is to set up your tables. Think of tables as separate sheets for different types of information. I'm going to walk you through creating three core tables: properties, clients, and agents. Rename your first table to properties, then add two new tables and name them clients and agents. This separation keeps your data clean and easier to manage long term. With your tables ready, it's time to define the fields you need. In the properties table, you might start with fields such as address, price, status, client, and listing date. You can customize each field type, make address a single line text field, price a currency field, status a single select field with options like available, under contract, and sold, and listing date a date field. Do the same kind of setup in your clients and agents tables, adding fields that matter for your work, like contact details or preferred property types. Once your structure is in place, you can begin adding records, which are the individual entries. In the properties table, each record will represent one property. Fill in the details for each listing, its address, the asking price, the current status, and so on. In the clients table, add a record for each client, and in agents, one for each agent you work with. Take your time here. The more accurate you are, the more useful your base becomes. To connect everything, use linked record fields. In your properties table, change the client field to a linked record that points to the client's table. Do the same for an agent field linked to the agent's table. This lets you associate each property with the right client and agent, and you'll be able to click through the links to see related information instantly. For a visual way to showcase your listings, I'll show you the easiest way to use Gallery View. In the properties table, add a new view and choose Gallery. If you have an attachment field with photos, Airtable will display each property as a card with its image and key details. This is great for quick scanning or even sharing with your team. Finally, use Calendar View to track showings and deadlines. Create or identify a date field, like showing date or deadline, then add a new view and select Calendar. Airtable will plot each record on the calendar based on that date, helping you see upcoming events at a glance and keep your schedule under control. By following these steps, you'll turn Airtable into a powerful, flexible system for managing your real estate business with all your properties, clients, and agents connected and easy to navigate.